meeting, our value proposition for the company Koala is focus on the growth of the company and the great demand that requires to be able to satisfy the current needs of customers. Decay activities for the correct development of our improvement proposal in order to be able to offer our value proposition are based on a restructuring in the current distribution model which currently does not provide the expected level of service, causing considerable loss of customers and dissatisfaction in the same at the time of delivery of your purchase order. For this value proposition, we chose to consider the implementation of routing software, which increases productivity and deliveries and helps considerably to improve the quality of service. Uh, what do you think, Laura?
My name is Laura Andrea Muñoz Uribe, and I am going to present the result obtained at the Qual company, where both identified and then a stated must be believed to improve delivery time and upper tonight at the product distribute be Qual. My arguments at faith are the following. Imprudent implying more I can increase income.
Okay, correct. What do you think, Gina?
Good night. My name is Gina Tatiana Kakimbo, industrial engineer student. One present the value proposition from the cost point of view. We see that it is very positive because the implementation of the software is favorable. One, the investment in technology improves the productivity of the company. Two, it helps the fulfillment of sales. Three, it satisfies the customer.
Okay, thanks. Good night, Karen. What do you think?
Good night. My name is Karen Jimenez. From the perspective of distribution channels and the customers, we realize at the moment the Koala is the company that does not trade of logistics of Europe that its distribution channels are outsourced. In the same way, the result the not structured systematically with lead then is back in the delivery.
Okay, perfect. Thanks. Good night, Enson. What do you think?
Good night. My name is Edison Villegas. Based on the Canvas model, we consider the following arguments for the value proposition. ¿Cuáles is master categories of mass consumption? Together the construction of living of the profitable, rather than other superior proposal to the final consumer. Consolidating a successful company with global project from the exchange of the concurrent market categories and venturing in the new ones through the presentation of innovation proposal, through the development of the Canvas model and analysis of the existing using the main opportunities are important in order to generate a value proposition which contributed to the improvement and the growth of the company. Key activities, distribution, production, supply chain, key parts, soliders, logistic operation, suppliers y clients. Thank you for attention. Happy night.
Thanks, Edison. We've finished this meeting accepting to valid proposition. Thanks. Good night.
Thank you.
Thank you.